Looking for Kylie Cosmetics makeup for the holidays? Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider when looking for the perfect gift. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below and choose your favorite one. Number 1, this ultra-long wearing lip liner has a creamy texture that glides across the lips for a very easy and comfortable application. The lip liner sharpens easily in most standard-sized sharpeners. Just make sure your sharpener is not dull. The liquid matte lipstick has high-intensity pigment for an instant bold matte lip, by Kylie Cosmetics. Number 2, the lip kit is your secret weapon to create the perfect Kylie lip. Each lip kit comes with a matte liquid lipstick and matching lip liner. Another great product by Kylie Cosmetics. Number 3, Kylie Jenner Lip Kit, includes lip liner and matte liquid lipstick. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and gift ideas. Get yours now.